Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to Gravy Reads Poetry. I'm Gravy, and I've got another lovely poem for you today. Today's poem is called The Lizard by Theodore Rothke. I cannot pronounce the last name. Names are hard. I picked this poem because it reminded me of our lizard, Toffee. The lizard. The time to tickle a lizard is before or right after a blizzard. Now the place to begin is just under his chin. And here's more advice. Don't poke more than twice at an intimate place like his gizzard. I don't know if Toffee likes to be tickled under his chin, but I do know he likes to be tickled on top of his head in the morning. When the boss gets up to wake him up, she'll give him head scritches, and that's just adorable.
Are you finished?
That was this week's poem. Tune in next week evening for another poem. I wonder if Toffee liked the poem I read tonight. I may never know. He's very quiet.